Year 1, welcome to your maths lesson today. So for your starter, we're just going to recap a little bit on what we did yesterday. So what is 1 more? Okay, so 1 more than 19 is, 1 more than 29 is, 1 more than 39 is, and 1 more than 49 is. Press pause and have a go. Okay, we are going to discuss some of the similarities. So 1 more than 19, I've circled 19, 1 more than 19 is 20. So I had 1 10 and 9 ones, which have then gone and turned into 2 10s, which are representing 20. So 1 more than 19 is 20. Okay, let's have a look at 1 more than 29. This time there's 2 10s and 1 9, which turn into 3 10s. So I've got 29. 1 more than 29 is 30. Some of you might have really stretched yourself and tried to write it in words. That would have been really fabulous if you've managed to do that. Okay, then we've got 1 more than 39 is 40. Again, you can see the 10s changing. 3 10s to 4 10s. And then 1 more than 49 is 50. So hopefully you've either used your tens frame, your number square, or your tens and ones over here. Okay, so you know that 1 more than 19 is 20, 1 more than 29 is 30, 1 more than 39 is 40, 1 more than 49 is 50. I wonder if you could press pause and maybe have a think about a pattern that you might have started to see. Okay, we're going to talk a little bit more about that, but just have a think. Okay, yesterday we did 1 more and 1 less. Now we're going to continue looking at more and less, but we're going to be doing more than 1. We might do 10 more or 10 less, or 2 more and 2 less. So we're going to mix it up, how many we do, and we're going to start looking at all the patterns that you can see within it. Okay, so hopefully you can start spotting patterns that we do in the ones that can relate down into the different 10s. So in the 30s, it could be the same. Okay, my cat just meowed, but I'm going to ignore her. Okay, so first of all, what I would like you to do is, what is 1 more than 5? So find the number 5 on your number square and tell me what 1 more is. Okay, of course, 1 more than 5 is 6. So we're going to figure out how that can help us with other calculations. So 1 more than 5 is 6. Now, if we know that 1 more than 5 is 6, can we work out what 1 more than 35 is? Okay, what is 1 more than 35? So if 1 more than 5 is 6, what's 1 more than 35? Yeah, that's right, it would be 36. Oh, 36. Can you see that? 1 more than 36. Okay. So if we know that 1 more than 3 is 4, what is 1 more than 33? Okay, so you can look here. Let me show you on my number square, actually. I'll make this bigger for us. Okay, so we can see here that 1 more, do it in red, 1 more than 3 makes 4, correct? Can you see that? It makes 4. So 1 more than 33, so I'm going to find it. It's in the same column, do you see? Because it's got 3 1s. So we're only adding 1s onto the 3. So 1 more would be 37. Okay, wonder if you've managed to do that one. Okay, so I've got 1 more than 33 is 34. Okay, if we know 1 less than 8 is 7, so we're doing less than now. What is 1 less than 28? You can press pause and have a go maybe. Okay, that's right. 1 less than 28 is 27. Again, it's in the same columns on my number square. Even if I wasn't looking at my number square, I could just ignore the 20 and it would look the same, 8 and then 7. So 1 less than 8 is 7. I add the 20 onto the 8, so I've got 28, and then I add the 20 onto the 7, so I've got 27. Okay, today, your challenges are on the Teams channel for maths. Hopefully you found this video through Teams, but if you haven't and you're still working on YouTube, that's okay, but I want you to try and find today's work, okay? On Teams, I have uploaded a printable PDF, okay, which means if you want to print, just open one up and print that one. Or I've uploaded an editable online one, which is in a PowerPoint format, and I've put green text boxes in which you click on and then you can type your answer. Okay, I'm not sure if you've got an iPad you can draw on it, but you could always have a go with either the PDF or the PowerPoint. So, okay, and if you're still using YouTube and you're feeling more confident with that, you can press pause now and do the first question, and then press pause again for the second question, and then finally for the third question, press pause. I've tried to include some words here as well as numbers. Okay, and then finally, for your challenge X, I want you to tell me always, sometimes, or never. When you find one more than a number, only the ones digit will change. Okay, have a think, is that right? Okay, I showed you some examples where it was sometimes correct, but is it always correct? And when might it not be always correct? Have a think about the numbers 39, 40. Okay, so press pause if you're using the YouTube. If you are on Teams, you can go out, and I've also on the editable PowerPoint, this is another slide, or there is a PDF with this picture saved for you to print out if you would like to. Okay, I hope you find Teams useful. It's new to me too, so you'll have to let me know if the PowerPoint editable works and kind of what works best for you guys, because that's how I can develop it for you. Okay, so I hope you have a lovely maths lesson and you get on with those, all your learning sensibly, and it goes well. And I hope there's no IT malfunctions. Okay, see you soon.